start weaving, I'm going to sew a row of the warp thread across the bottom of the weaving. That way it's going to keep the fabrics that we weave in place when we take it off later and we tie up the warp threads. I'm going to be going from left to right. If you find it more comfortable to go from right to left, go ahead. The process is just the same. Take my tapestry needle and I put it underneath the first warp thread. Pull it up right to the knot, almost to the knot. And I'm going to divide my two threads like so. So they look kind of like a V. Now I'm going to take my tapestry needle and put it right between that V right there. And then I'm going to put it underneath the next warp thread. Holding on to my knot, I'm pulling the thread through and just kind of coax it up there so the knot comes right up to that warp thread. And that's the beginning. The rest of the process is just the same. You go in between the two threads and then you go up underneath the next warp thread. As you go, you might find that this gets to be twists in the yarn. Just untwist it by twirling the tapestry needle. The next step is just pack it down. Tie a knot in the end. Right up to the edge. Give it a little pull, tighten it up. And I'm going to cut it off at about 1 inch also. Next step is weaving in the fabric. See you there! If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!